little up.
Merengue. Come on, my blue headed.
Oh, it is!
Mom would be so happy she just borrowed that movie.
The girls look so young. Like I said, we don't see like older or women.
One of them was actually young from the back, old from the front.
Oh.
They didn't know their face. No, those girls last night, well, they looked more 22.
Yeah.
Rather than 17, 18.
Right. But still 22.
I know. It's like those girls that worked at the airport. At that restaurant.
Oh yeah, right.
Are you old enough to serve us alcohol?
Right.
Evidently you can serve alcohol at 18.
Yeah, well, I guess.
Why we 17?
I don't know, 22 seems a little. When you're on vacation, it's okay, but it's not like you can really. Spend some time in America. Don't stop. It's hard to live. They told me tears rolling down your chin. The skills of the makeup never walk in. I'm sorry when I say this, straight to this very day. That's the wrong way. It don't matter if I like it or not, because she only wants the wrong way. I give her all that I had to give. She still wouldn't take it. Well, I know you can lie to say, still won't drop it up and never
Down in Mississippi,
Oh, hey.
This is Vicky from Rio Alto, and it's time to shut up and rock.